If you have a collection account sitting on your credit report and it's killing your score, this process could help you get it removed. But here's the part most people don't understand. You're not begging the credit bureau to delete it. You're not asking them to forgive you. And you're not saying, please help me fix my credit. You're using a legal verification process. It's called a 609 dispute letter. And if the collection account cannot be properly verified, it may have to be deleted from your credit report. Now, before I explain the letter, understand this. A 609 letter does not magically erase real, accurate debt. So if the collection is 100% correct, updated, verified, and belongs to you, this letter may not remove it. But if the collection is inaccurate, outdated, duplicated, missing proof, reporting wrong dates, wrong balance, wrong account number, or cannot be verified, that's where this process matters. Because credit bureaus cannot just report random negative information about you. They need to be able to verify it. So here's the secret process step by step. Step 1. Pull your credit reports. Not just one report. You need to check Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Because one collection may show on all 3 bureaus, or it may only show on 1 or 2. And the details may be different on each report. That difference is important. Because if Experian shows one balance, TransUnion shows another balance, and Equifax shows a different date, that could be a sign the account is not reporting accurately. Step 2. Find the collection you want to dispute. Look at the collection account carefully. Don't just look at the name. Check the account number. Check the balance. Check the open date. Check the last reported date. Check the original creditor. Check the collection agency name. Check if it says paid, unpaid, closed, open, charged off, or in collections. You're looking for anything that looks wrong, incomplete, duplicated, or unverifiable. For example, wrong balance, wrong date, wrong account number. A collection you already paid. A collection that belongs to someone else. A duplicate collection. A collection from an old account that should not be reporting anymore. Or a collection where the bureau cannot prove how they verified it. Step 3. Print the credit report page. This is where most people mess up. They send a random dispute letter with no proof, no highlighted account, and no clear explanation. Don't do that. Print the page that shows the collection. Circle or highlight the exact collection account. Make it very easy for the bureau to see what you are disputing. Because the clearer your dispute is, the harder it is for them to ignore it. Step 4. Collect your identity documents. The bureau needs to know it's really you, so attach proof of identity. This can include your driver's license or state ID, proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement, your full name, your date of birth, your current address, and the last 4 digits of your SIN. Do not send random documents. Only send what is needed to prove your identity and your address. Step 5. Write the 609 dispute letter. And this letter should be simple. This is not a long emotional story. You are not writing, "I had a hard time. I lost my job. Please remove this because I need a loan." That's not the point. The point is verification. You are telling the credit bureau, "I am disputing this collection account. Please provide the method of verification. Please provide the documents used to verify this account. And if you cannot verify it, delete it from my credit report." That's the whole idea. Keep it short. Keep it clear. Keep it professional. Here's the basic structure. Start with your information, your name, your address, your phone number, your date of birth, and the date of the letter. Then write the credit bureau's name and address, Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Then write, "Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing to dispute the following collection account listed on my credit report. I am requesting that you verify this account under the Fair Credit Reporting Act." Then list the collection agency name, account number, balance, bureau name, and the reason for dispute. For example, this account is inaccurate and has not been properly verified, or the balance is incorrect, or the account does not belong to me, or the same collection is reporting more than once, or this account was already paid but is still showing as unpaid. Then say, "Please provide the documents, records, and method of verification used to confirm this account is accurate. If this account cannot be verified, please delete it from my credit report." That's the power line. Because you're not asking for a favor, you're asking them to prove it. Step 6. Attach your documents. Attach a copy of your credit report with the collection highlighted. Attach your ID. Attach proof of address, and attach any proof that supports your dispute. For example, proof of payment, a settlement letter, a deletion letter, a statement showing the account is paid, or anything that proves the information on the report is wrong. Then at the bottom of the letter, write, "Attached documents, copy of credit report with disputed item highlighted, copy of ID, proof of address, supporting documents." Then sign the letter. Do not forget the signature. Step 7. Mail the letter properly. This part matters. Send the letter by certified mail and request a return receipt. Why? Because you need proof that the Bureau received your dispute. If you just send it normally, you may not have proof. Certified mail gives you a paper trail. And in credit repair, paper trail matters. Step 8. Wait for the investigation. Usually, the Bureau has around 30 days to investigate your dispute. Sometimes it can take up to 45 days depending on the situation. During this time, they are supposed to verify the collection account. If they verify it, the account may stay. If they update it, you may see changes. But if they cannot verify it, the collection may be deleted. And if it gets deleted from your credit report, your score may improve. Especially if that collection was recent, unpaid, or heavily damaging your profile. Now here's what most people get wrong. They think the 609 letter is about using fancy legal words. It's not. It's about being clear. It's about identifying the exact item. It's about asking for verification. And it's about creating proof that you disputed the account properly. So don't write a 5-page letter. Don't sound angry. Don't threaten the Bureau. Don't say things you cannot prove. Just keep it simple. Here's the basic formula. This is who I am. This is the account I dispute. This is why I dispute it. This is what I want you to verify. Here are my documents. If you cannot verify it, delete it. That's it. Now, one more important thing. You should not dispute accurate collections just to avoid paying what you owe. That's not what this process is for. This process is for inaccurate, unverifiable, outdated, duplicated, or questionable information. Because the law gives you the right to a fair and accurate credit report. And if a collection is hurting your credit, you have the right to ask, who verified this? What proof do you have? Where did this information come from? And if they can't prove it, why is it still on my report? So here's your action step. Pull your 3 credit reports. Find one collection account. Circle it. Write the Bureau. Ask for verification. Attach your documents. Send it by certified mail. And track the response. This is the 609 dispute letter process. It's not magic. It's not guaranteed. But when done correctly, it can be one of the strongest first steps to challenge collections on your credit report.